Hey guys, this is Peranesh here and welcome to my channel Peranesh DIY. Today's video is about how to create your own diet plan for weight loss as well as weight gain. Before getting into the video, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing it and press the bell icon for instant notification. Let's get into the video. We all have a friend who will be bulk in shape, and after some point of time, he will be reducing much of his weight and will be looking fit. When we will go and ask him, he will say like, I got into a customized paid diet plan. Or you will find some fitness gurus sharing their own diet plans over the internet. You may think that we can follow that even and we can reduce your weight. Maybe at the initial stages you will be losing most of your weight, like up to 3 to 5 kg. But eventually in the longer run it won't be that much effective, because diet depends on various factors like age, gender, and how much body fat they have, how much muscle they contain, and how much physical activity they are going through every day. So it can be common for everyone. The best diet is the one that suits for you and make you fit. So try to create your own diet. I hope at the end of this video you will be able to build your own diet. Before starting, we need to know about few terms here like calories, maintenance calories, and caloric surplus and deficit. Calories. Calorie is nothing but energy. The food we eat is converted as energy and stored in our body. When we are going to work, that energy will be spent for the work. We are representing that energy as a calories here. For example, if we are having one apple, that apple will be serving a calorie of 95. Whatever food we are having, we can Google it and find it how much calorie it is. Next thing is maintenance calorie. Whether you are gaining your weight or losing your fat, the one thing you must know is maintenance calorie. Maintenance calorie is the energy that's spent for your daily activity. For example, I am a 77 kg guy and my maintenance calorie is 3000. That means that 3000 maintenance calorie is for my day-to-day work, like my 9 to 5 job and sleeping, eating, and for the process of digestion. Everything comes under maintenance calorie. And if I'm keeping my food around the maintenance calorie every day, there won't be any weight change for me. That means if my maintenance calorie is 3000, I am not exceeding or going below that and maintaining my 3000 calorie every day. So there won't be any change in my weight. I'll be staying 77 till I'm maintaining the calorie. That is called maintenance calorie. The third thing is caloric surplus and deficit. In previous example, I said my maintenance calorie is around 3000. Now I'm going to eat under the maintenance. Like if I'm going to reduce 300 calories from my maintenance calorie 3000, I'll be eating 2700 calorie here. If I'm following that for the entire week, I can say that I'm in a caloric deficit because I haven't reached my maintenance calorie level. Automatically my body will reduce my weight, and the same for caloric surplus. My maintenance is 3000. I'm going to increase more than that. Like I'm going to increase by additional 300 calories from my maintenance. I'll be eating around 3300 calorie. And finally, I'm following that for the entire week. At the end of the week, I'm going to put an additional weight because I'm more than my maintenance calorie. This is the difference between deficit and surplus. Why we need to know this? Because instead of doing an additional cardio session of 1 hour to reduce your weight, you can reduce your food intake and you can reduce the weight here. It is more convenient than that. Like the same for surplus, instead of sitting idle and gaining more weight, you can eat healthy additional 300 calories and you can even work out and you can gain weight in a healthy way. Now we are good on what is maintenance calorie, caloric deficit and surplus. We need to know how to calculate our maintenance calorie. For that, there is a formula for calculating maintenance calorie. That is our BMR into physical activity level. BMR is nothing but basal metabolic rate, which is the amount of energy, that is calories, spent in a day when we are at rest. That means if you are laying on your bed and you're enjoying your day, at that time how much calorie you have spent, that is the BMR. I will show you the formula for calculating the BMR. You need to substitute your weight and your height and your age, and you need to calculate your BMR. I'll show you below how it is calculated. Once you have calculated your BMR, we need to find your physical activity level. That means how much active you are in a day. See the table below here. This table shows how much activity ratio we can find for our activity level. Like if you are doing daily workout, if you are doing 9 to 5 job, if you are having a physical work daily, you can, depending on that, you can calculate your activity ratio. You need to find your activity ratio and you have to multiply that with your BMR to find your maintenance calorie. I am not saying that this is the only thing to calculate maintenance and BMR. I am following this. There are many BMR calculator and maintenance calculator in the internet. You can find anything which is convenient for you. I am just telling how to calculate it. See here, I have calculated my BMR by substituting my weight, height and age. Now my BMR is around 1132 and my activity ratio is, from the table I have found that it is 2.2 for me. So I am going to substitute that in the maintenance calorie formula, that is BMR into the physical activity level. After substituting, my maintenance calories around overall it is like 2500 calorie per day. So we have calculated the maintenance calorie. If I'm maintaining the same calorie every day, I'll be in the same weight, that is 77 kg. If I want to reduce my weight from 77 kg, I have to reduce 300 or 500 calorie from the maintenance. I'm gonna take 2100 calorie for reducing my weight. I'm gonna follow that daily. Eventually, I'm going to reduce the weight gradually. Like the same, if I want to increase my weight, I will increase 300 or 400 calorie from the maintenance and I will try to increase my weight from that. We are fine with how to calculate maintenance, how to increase our weight, how to decrease our weight. We have to do it in a healthy way. Why I'm mentioning healthy way? Because reaching 2500 calorie or 2100 or 2700 calories is easy, very easy by eating any junk food and easy to attain. But we need to attain that with a healthy way by eating good foods. For that, we need to know about the macros of our food. So we are going for the another section of this video to understand the macros of our food. Macronutrients are components of the food that are carbohydrates, proteins and fat. If you are losing any of these macronutrients, then you are in a nutrient deficiency. Now we need to find the macronutrients ratio for these three. Macronutrients ratio differ from one person to another. It depends on their fitness goal. Like if you are in a fat loss, or if you want to build your muscle, or you want to just stay fit, it depends on every other individual. For me, I take like 50, 15, 35, which is 50% carbs, 15% fats and 35% proteins. I'll show the ideal range between the macronutrients. You can choose between them. With this range, we need to calculate the calorie for the macronutrients. That means I have found my maintenance calorie as 2500. With the 2500 maintenance calorie, for carbs, how much calorie I need to spend? For fats, how much I need to spend? For proteins, how much I need to spend? I need to calculate that. With the macronutrients ratio, I'm going to multiply with my maintenance calorie. I'll show how much I'm getting for carbs, fats and proteins. I have calculated the calories for carbohydrates, fats and proteins. It is coming around, for carbs it is 1245 calories and fats it is 373 calories and proteins it is 870 calories. With this, I need to find that how much gram of carbs, protein and fats I need for the entire day. For that, we need to know that how much calorie per gram of carbs, proteins and fats are. For 1 gram of carb, it has 4 calories. For 1 gram of fats, it has 9 calories. For 1 gram of protein, it has 4 calories. I'm going to divide this calorie per gram with the calories we have calculated from the macronutrients ratio. Let's see what I'm getting. Per day, I need a carbs of approximately 311 grams and fats for 41 grams and proteins for 217 grams. We have got how much grams we need for the entire day. With that in hand, we need to calculate how many meals we are going to take. I am a person who likes to take 4 meals. With that 311 grams of carbohydrates, I need to separate that for 4 meals. For the first meal, I am going to take 100 grams of carbohydrates. For the second meal, I am going to take 55 grams of carbohydrates. For the third meal, I am going to take 55 grams of carbohydrates. For the fourth meal, I am going to take the rest of the 100 grams of carbohydrates. Like that, we need to separate every other macronutrients. That's all. We came to the end of the video. Always try to have a possible fitness goal like reducing 1 kg per week instead of aiming for a huge number. It is easy to eat an extra calorie with junk foods, sugar and plenty of carbohydrates in your meal, but always try to have the good and healthy meal with all the macronutrition in your plate, whatever it may be, weight loss or weight gain. In fitness, all the numbers you have on the paper is just a ballpark. To have a possible fitness goal, you can't reach the exact number all the time, and it is also difficult to attain that. So try to be around the destination number to get the best version out of yourself. I'm gonna leave a link of my blog post for this content for your reference. Kindly check it out in description. If you feel if this video might be useful for a few of your friends, share with them. Just hit the like button if you like it and subscribe for more videos in future. Thanks.